No longer mired by archaic rules of luxury, you can set to work building a car right. The 2009 Hyundai Genesis. The all-aluminum V8 engine in the Hyundai Genesis 4.6 is extraordinary. This advanced power plant propels the Genesis with 375 horsepower and 333 pound-feet of torque. The Genesis's interior is without question designed for those who take pleasure in driving. A perfect blend of advanced design and luxurious aesthetics. The multimedia controller gives you unprecedented command of a wide variety of functions, including audio, navigation, and telecommunications through the driver information system. Genesis has been engineered with some of the most advanced safety features available, all of which come standard, from 8 airbags to an ultra-high-strength steel body to passive safety systems that help protect you in the event of an accident. The 2009 Hyundai Genesis, unabridged. At Mile 1 Hall Hyundai Newport News, you'll find the selection and value you'd expect and the customer service you deserve. In 3 easy steps, browse, research, buy, right from our website or stop by our location today. Mile 1 Hall Hyundai Newport News. We're conveniently located at 12872 Jefferson Avenue in Newport News. Mile1.com. Everything automotive.